EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for June 24th, 2019. After a fantastic weekend, can't script it much better than we just had it this past weekend. We're going to start off partly cloudy this morning, and then we'll call it increasing clouds this afternoon, and mostly cloudy by later in the afternoon. We have a front that's going to be approaching, and some prefrontal showers that'll try to take place at least in our western locations. I don't think it's going to really make it too far east before it dies off. This will be in dying mode heading eastward. So you might have a stray shower further east. Some areas may not get anything at all, and this will be during the course of the afternoon today. And then there's going to be a better chance overnight, I think, at some scattered showers and thunderstorms as this system moves through and the front moves through. But this is going to go right into Tuesday morning, but very, very early Tuesday morning this is going to end. So probably like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, and then you're done with it. The rest of the day is very nice and actually warmer as the system pulls through. So let's get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, and I'm going to start this off at noon. And you can see some very light showers here across central Pennsylvania, but watch what happens as I move this eastward. This kind of just falls apart here and is very little by the time we get into, this is now 4 p.m., very little heading eastward. A little bit of showers between Reading and Lancaster, and maybe just a little bit north of there up to Pottsville. But then does it get to the Lehigh Valley? Does it get to Philadelphia? Uncertain, but we're going to allow for a very isolated chance for a shower here during this time frame during the late afternoon hours. This is when the clouds will increase at the very least. But that's it for the rain. And it just kind of dies off and falls apart, and that's it. Then overnight, we have, after midnight, we have this opportunity for more scattered showers and perhaps a thunderstorm coming through after midnight. So this is now looking here at 2 a.m. And as you go through the course of the night here, and as you get finally up to, this is now 6 a.m., here is 7, here is 8. So we still have some showers going on, mainly New Jersey here in the morning. Most of Pennsylvania is done by around 8 o'clock, maybe 9 at the latest, and then this pulls away. So clouds giving way to sun here on Tuesday is all you have. So when temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer than they were today. Today's going to be kind of like very similar to yesterday as far as temperature is concerned, kind of like 82, 83, 84-ish type thing. And then once we get into Tuesday, we're going to have the temperatures increase a little bit, and that's going to be a trend for the rest of the week. We're actually going to have temperatures continue to go up throughout the week, and we're going to have some 90-degree readings this week for the first time in a while. And some areas might even be talking about an official heat wave. And that's going to be more likely for southern areas and southeastern areas, especially down here by Philadelphia. Our forecast highs from Tuesday through Saturday. See if I remember this right. I think we went 89 on Tuesday, 90 on Wednesday, 92 on Thursday, 93 on Friday, and 90 on Saturday. That's for Philadelphia. So definitely 3 or more consecutive days of 90 degrees or above would be an official heat wave. So certainly for Philadelphia, I think you have a pretty good chance, but some other areas will have a good chance of that 3 consecutive days as well outside of the metro areas, but that's the heat island that has the best chances for those areas. But we will have, as far as precipitation goes, not really much to speak of. We're going, again, Tuesday is going to be clearing out very nicely and turning warmer. Just that early morning clouds giving way to sun, maybe a shower in eastern areas before that pulls away. And then Wednesday is going to be a partly cloudy day. Another front trying to approach here, but it's going to run out of steam, it looks like, as it does so. So not really any precipitation with that to speak of. Maybe a shower for far northeastern portions of our coverage area here on Wednesday night. Otherwise, elsewhere it's going to be dry. Thursday is a hot day, mostly sunny. Friday is a hot day, mostly sunny. Saturday is another hot day, but we have a cold front moving off from the north. It might keep areas north of I-78 from getting to 90. So areas south and east of there still can get to 90 down here by Philadelphia and interior southern New Jersey, Delaware, southern Pennsylvania can still get to 90 here again on Saturday, but we'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms making its way through with this front. But that's going to push through pretty quickly. This is a cold front, and once we get into the overnight hours, we have some evening leftover thunderstorms. I don't want to really jump ahead. This is looking at this is Saturday, so for as far as severe weather speculation, we're not going to really get into that just yet because it's going to be hot and humid, and you have the opportunity for scattered thunderstorms to come in. And when you have the temperatures that hot, you usually can get some stronger storms. Synoptically, it's saying maybe there could be. We'll see. All right, this is as this cold front is moving off to the south. We'll see. It's still 5-6 days away. So, but there is the opportunity for that at the end of the week. We'll re-examine that as we get throughout the week and get a little bit closer. And then Sunday behind this, we'll have partly cloudy skies. The front's going to be off to our south, and temperatures that are going to be a little bit cooler, actually much cooler, temperatures closer to the 80-degree mark than it will be the 90-degree mark, certainly, and a little bit more refreshing with a northwesterly breeze here on Sunday. So if you're looking at the 7-day period here, precipitation, I told you we're going to be drying out here going into the month of July. I said that in the long range on Friday. This is certainly looking like that now. This is going into through the end of this month, and we're drying out very nicely. This is looking at Sunday. Sunday, of course, is June 30th. All right, so we have a very dry week coming up here. Not really much rain to speak of, and we're going to get quite hot. And so there's going to be an early season heat wave that we're going to be dealing with at the end, certainly at the end of the week, but maybe even earlier for some areas, for our southeastern areas. So very warm temperatures, finally hitting 90 degrees for the first time in many locations this year toward the end of the week is the one headline. The other one is very little in the way of precipitation until we get to Saturday, and even then it's just late day scattered showers and thunderstorms. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for June 24th, 2019. Have a great Monday.